Bosh family. Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all guys feeling? Hope y'all guys got the munchies for music, and hope you ready to dance, because today we're going to be reacting to, you know what I'm saying, checking out for the first time this video called, entitled Newetrin Video Book Uzawa for Million. Million Naka. Million Naka. Yeah, Bashe through. Let's get into this video, you know what I'm saying? This might be, I don't even want to guess. Y'all let me know which people is this in this video, okay? Hey, let's go. Basha. Hey, oh, that's nice. Look at this, y'all. Is this a wedding? I think this is a wedding. Hey. Hey. Hey, the girl in the gold, the lady in the gold, getting her dance on. Hey, I love that green dress too, I ain't gonna lie. On that lady. Hey. Okay, his wife is pretty. Got a beautiful wife. Hey. I love this music. I really love those arches. Those are some nice arches. So they made their own little runway. It's lit. Oh, they got pyro too? What? Hey. Bonagia. Hey, let's go. Oh, y'all heard that extortion? Is the singer actually out there somewhere singing? Ooh. Oh, this is Kurdish music. All I had to hear was hear them pronounce their W's like that. This is Kurdish music. Zaza, shout out to my Kurds. Hey, let's go. Okay. Nice.
Heart rate's 120, BP's 140 over.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to me, post notifications. If you got your dance on, let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? If you know the words and you were singing along to this song, let me know in the comment section. And translate the lyrics if you like. You know what I'm saying? So I can know what the song was about. And let me know if I was correct. Is this Kurdish music, or is this Syrian? Let me just is it Kurdish music? Yes or no? If it's not, my bad, y'all. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Bye. KURDISH family. Peace.